Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video we will learn how you can install MySQL Workbench in your Windows laptop. So for installing MySQL, first of all open your browser. I have installed Edge browser, so I will open Edge browser in my laptop. Edge browser, okay. So here in the search bar simply type MySQL. Here you can see the first link and this is official link of MySQL. If you find any other like this kind of link, don't go to this website. The official site of MySQL where you can download MySQL easily, that is this website. Okay, so open this link, open this website. Here you can see this is the interface of MySQL and mysql.com, download section, documentation, developer zone. So you have to go inside download section. Here scroll down and you will see MySQL community downloads. Go to MySQL community and here you are seeing that MySQL Workbench. So click MySQL Workbench. So select your operating system. If you are using Windows, select Windows. If you are using any other operating system, so select that and then download. I am using Windows, so I have to download for Windows. So download. You can download the file without logging in. So the file has started downloading. It may take 2 to 3 minutes. Don't care, it depends on your network speed of Wi-Fi or your mobile network if you are using mobile. But if you are using Wi-Fi and the range of Wi-Fi is more than 40 MB or more than 40 MB, then it will download in just 3 seconds, in just 30 seconds, in just 30 seconds. Okay, so let's wait for download it. Now click on this open downloads folder. Here is our file to download MySQL Workbench. So double tap on the file and here this is a setup wizard. Click next. Click next and next and then install. When you will install this, when you will click install, all the recommended file will install in your system and you will redirect to MySQL Workbench. I have already installed MySQL, so I can't download it once more. So thank you for watching this video. If you need more help, please comment me below. I will definitely answer your question. Thank you for watching this video. In upcoming video I will teach you what Python, what SQL is and use case of SQL. Also you will learn little bit about databases and different between DBMS and RDMS.